to all the new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'm excited to have you all here. And all of my regular subscribers, long-term subscribers, thank you for sticking around. And I am going to just have a little bit of play and do a journal layout in here. Let me show you a couple I did. I was at the lake this weekend, and here's a couple pages that I did while I was at the lake. I love how these turned out. This is some book page that I had stenciled and then ink sprayed. And here's some others that I just did some ink spray and then just did some collage on top. Love how that came out. And then here is another one that I did at the lake. I had done some stenciling or doodling on the airplane on these pages. And so I just came back and did a little collage over the top of that. And I really enjoyed using this tape. So I thought I would do another layout and play around with this tape some more. So let's get started. I hope everyone is doing well. I am doing pretty good. It was absolutely gorgeous here today. I think it only got up to the mid-70s. I don't even think it got to 80, which is crazy. For August. So I got up early and I went for a walk. And then I went to the grocery store. This tape, I have it linked down below, I believe. This was a 49 in Market, and it's a fabric washi tape, which I absolutely love. So I thought I would do some more collage with this. Actually, I want to split this, I think. Don't have a real plan. I thought it was fun, so I gathered several different supplies to take to the lake with me. And I gathered stencils and some stamps and washi tape and a bunch of different little, like some stickers and some little ephemera pieces and some inks and my pens and just some other little scraps of things and some papers, like music paper, ledger paper, things like that. And I think that's a fun way, like if you're struggling, if you're overwhelmed with all the stuff that you have in your craft room, then just spend a minute and go around your craft room and pull out some items and put those on your desk and then just work from those items and see if that doesn't help. I'm finding that that is helpful. So I thought before I put all this stuff away that I took to the lake, I would do another fun little page here. And I thought I would do it with you guys. So you probably saw by now the giveaway is over and the winners have been picked. I'm super excited about that. I'll be working on a journal for the winner. And then I have a little junk journal kit I'm putting together for the second place winner. And the third place winner is getting an Amazon gift card. So it was a lot of fun. So I will most likely do another one in the near future. Maybe when I hit 3,000 subscribers. I love this washi tape. I might have to buy another one of these because I loved it so much. I mean, these purpley plum colors are so my colors, and they remind me of fall as well. So if it's not sold out, I'm probably going to get another one. This purple is my favorite color, for sure. Kind of keeping in that theme of trying to do this in threes, so that have this in 3 different spots like I do when I use my stencils and my paints when I do mixed media. And then I'll need to look through my stash to see what other items I might want to add to this page. And it tears. I really like how it tears. I just do a little cut with my scissors, and it rips like fabric. I think it's neat. All right, I think I'll stop with that for a moment. I might do a little stenciling. That's a good idea. I'll probably use that. Might use that. And I might use some of those for sure. Yeah, I like that. Let's see if there's any paper. And I might ink that up actually. Oh, these could be fun. Oh yeah, I like that a lot. It's a possibility. Okay, I think I like how things are coming together here. And there, to decide if I want this map under here. I think I do. And maybe a little strip of this avocado dyed paper. Yeah, I like that. That looks nice. I want to cover this with milled lavender. Let's see how that looks. I did a video on these die cuts that I bought from Sam Poole Designs. You can check them out. This has a little bit of some other colors on the brush, but I think that's okay. I think that's all right. All right, let's glue this down. Get my glue book out. And I have it over off camera. Just gonna use my glue stick. You guys, I am loving this washi tape. I find it hard to find colors that I like, because I love purple, so I was really excited when I found those. And I think that's okay. And then this is going to go here. I want this underneath here. I'm really enjoying doing these quick collage layouts. I think it's really good for me. Practice. Let's see, so that's going to go there. So maybe I'll have that come up there. And that kind of go right there. Okay, so this needs, I guess this needs to go down next. Let me know what y'all think of this layout, and let me know what y'all did over the weekend. Let me know what plans you have for the upcoming weekend. Our wedding anniversary is coming up. 26 years we'll be married. It's crazy. So we're going to go out to dinner. I always like to go out to dinner. But yeah, let me know what y'all are up to. Put too much glue on that. That's okay. It'll dry. Tone down this white on here. Even though it becomes a little translucent, I still like to tone it down. And these stickers are from Your Creative Studios. Go. This is gonna go right here. I love this. Love, love, love it. And I'll trim these off camera. Look how cute that is. So I might find something, a little something here. A little label. Let me look and see what I have. I just pulled out some stuff to take with me to the lake. So let's see what I fold. Put that there. I fussy cut this butterfly out. And I found these two little pieces. I think both of these are from Digital Kits, I think. To decide if I want something down here. And I do have this too. Maybe that could go there. Here, I like that. Right. Perfect. That there. Right, and we'll put this right there. Awesome. Oh my gosh. I love how quickly that came together. I am obsessed with this. I will be definitely doing a lot more fun things with this washi tape. Thank you all so much for joining me, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.